It's an important day at Cuberider today. Lead engineer Nathan Adler is testing the coded experiments that schools have sent into Cuberider. These experiments will, hopefully, be safe enough to run on the International Space Station. What kind of experiments do your students make?
So students run a whole bunch of different kinds of experiments. Some students want to run experiments that look at how astronauts' physical fitness is affected and physical health is affected based on the pressure, the humidity and the temperature in the International Space Station. Other students want to conduct experiments to see the type of acceleration that the space station goes under. Other students want to conduct experiments based on the types of radiation that people might experience in space as well. So there's a whole variety of different types of experiments that students conduct.
Whilst Cuberider hasn't yet launched their product, they've been as canny as some of their students in ways to test that it's space ready.
Well, in fact, we did a balloon launch the other week where we set the board up and we actually got pictures of the stratosphere, which was pretty cool.
Cuberider's Stratosphere launch has proven that the company now can run any experiment that its students desire. And how it does these experiments is through its own patented board, the Sagan.
It has a collection of sensors on here, such as an accelerometer for detecting temperature and gravitational changes.
A story that could be seen as quite interesting, however, is that some students even made their own sensors. And how do they measure the radiation? What are the students doing?
So it's actually a very interesting question. We have two radiation sensors on board, but they measure different types of radiation. One student has actually hacked one of the cameras on board our little board, and they're actually using that camera now as a Geiger counter to detect multiple other sources of radiation as well.
But Cuberider isn't just for those kids who were always into science. It's not for those who understand the scientific mumbo-jumbo. It's there for fun. It's there to inspire.
So the school's doing an artistic endeavour, and what they're doing is they're collecting all of the data from all the sensors of this board that's going to fly to space, and then they're going to basically get the data from it and assign it musical notes, essentially creating a cosmic symphony.
And this is Charles Yoll, signing off. Thanks for watching.